Hello world, my name is Vasil, I live in Kyiv, Ukraine, and this is my Project Zero for CS50’s web programming with Python and JavaScript course. So we have a website with 3 different pages, one for search, one for image search, and one for advanced search. So on main page we can get normal Google search. On the image search page we can search for images. And on the advanced search page we have 4 input fields for search with different parameters. Here. Advanced search looks like Google's own advanced search page, and on the main page we have I'm feeling lucky button, which redirects us to the first search result after Google search. All 3 pages looks very similar to Google's own CSS properties. Thanks for watching.